Hello and welcome back to the Satoshi Society YouTube channel. My name is AJ, one of the co-hosts here, and today just going to give you a short update. I'm not going to prolong this video out too long because nothing has really changed since yesterday's video, and I'll go into all the details in yesterday's video. But yeah, not a lot of things happening within the market right now, especially the crypto market. Yeah, we are just seeing a slight period of consolidation, but yeah, I am just going to do a short little update and yeah, update you on my thoughts. So before we get into this video, please make sure you smash a like on this video. I do really appreciate it. It does really help the channel out, and it really helps me out as well. So please just smash a like on the video, and it also lets me know that you want to see more videos like this, showing you my technical analysis and also showing you the trades that I take as well. If you've been following the channel, you know I've made a lot of trades recently, and I've brought every single one of them to you. Anyway, let's get straight into the video then. Let me just share my screen, which I actually haven't done yet. There we go. Sharing my screen. As you can see, we're looking at the Bitcoin 4-hour. And, I've been looking at this chart for a while now, and we are still within this range, okay? We're still within this range, and this is a very, very good range for us to be trading. And yeah, there have been a few opportunities. Unfortunately, we've missed those. But yeah, there's going to be more opportunities in the future, and that is what I'm waiting for now. I'm currently sat on the sidelines. I'm waiting for that next entry, whether that's going to be a short position or whether that is going to be a long position. So as we can see right here, since yesterday's video, the price has hardly moved at all. We have broken above the point of control, and we are using that point of control as of right now as a bit of support. But yeah, we are coming back down and actually testing that POC. POC is going to act as support and resistance. That's just always the case. But yeah, if we can hold this support on the POC, then I would expect the price to be able to come up to value area high at around $17,400, and maybe even higher. If we come higher, we can come into this potential shorting opportunity here, and this shorting opportunity will be a great opportunity to enter a potential short position only if we see the signs up there. Okay, so that one of the signs would be being above value. Oh, for example, let me show you an example here. So we had this trade here, which I decided against trading because the trade came as the POC, the FOMC meeting was happening. So I decided against trading that because a lot of volatility was going to come in, and I thought there was a possibility that our trade could have got stopped out. So that's why I decided against trading it. But we were above value area high. That was one sign that we should enter into a short position. Another sign was that we were testing resistance at the top of this ascending parallel channel. That was another sign telling us that there was going to be a retracement from here. And then the third sign was this horizontal level here from the previous high of the range high right there. That was going to be resistance, and that did play out as resistance as well. So those were three indications telling me to actually enter into a short position there. Also coming onto the smaller time frames as well, the 3-hour, the 2-hour, the 1-hour, there were bearish divergence coming in. So as you can see, RSI, you can see lower lows, and the price action higher highs. So this is what I'm looking for when entering into a short position, and vice versa when I'm entering into a long position. I'm looking for those bullish signs rather than the bearish signs. So there was a lot of signs there telling me to enter into a short position. We didn't actually enter, as I said. I decided against trading it, which was probably the wrong decision. But the FOMC meeting was happening, and I thought a lot of volatility was going to come in, and we could have got stopped out. But again, that played out as expected, and the price would have come down, did come down to the value area low, which is that target, and we pretty much tested that to the dollar, and we've seen a bounce towards the upside. Again, for me, down here, there wasn't enough signs to enter a long position. We were seeing a bullish divergence, but also testing that value area low. But I normally tend to look for the three bits of confluence. That's what I like to look for. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to be looking for if the price does come up here again. I'm going to be looking at the price testing this horizontal level, the price being above this value area high, and on some sort of horizontal level maybe, or a bearish divergence is what I want to look for to get those three bits of confluence, and then we can look at entering a potential short position, and then riding that down to value area low. We've done this a lot over the course of the past 3 months, and we've been very successful. So that's what I'm looking for. And the same story if the price does come back down to value area low and maybe even lower as well, coming into this longing opportunity here. If we come below value area low, I'm going to be looking for a long here if the signs are telling me to go long. Back here, what we were looking at, this was an example. This was when I was ill, so unfortunately we couldn't trade this. But again, we were testing a previous low. Okay, like back here, we were testing a previous high. We were testing a previous low here. We tested that to the dollar. We were also forming a bearish divergence. So if you bring up the RSI, you can see, a bullish divergence, not bearish divergence, a bullish divergence. We were seeing lower lows on the price action, but we were seeing higher highs on the RSI. Textbook bullish divergence. And then we were also below that value area low as well, as you can see right there. So that was a perfect indication to enter a long position, and that would have played out perfectly, as you can see, hitting value area high right there. And even if we prolonged it a bit longer, it would have gone even higher. These are the things that I'm looking at. I just want to give you an understanding of the things that I'm looking at if the price does come to the value area high, or if the price does come to the value area low. And unfortunately, we did miss these two trades, but I can show you an example right here. This one right here, we made a total of 5 trades during this fixed range. I'm pretty sure it was. I think there were 4 short positions that we took here and 1 long position. So I know we shorted this. I know we shorted this. I know we longed one of these here. I can't remember which one it was. I know we tried to short this. Unfortunately, that was a losing trade. But then we shorted this a few hours later and made a really nice trade there. But yeah, we made 2 short positions here. Really nice short positions down to the value area low. We made a nice long position from value area low to value area high. And then we tried to make a trade here. That was a losing trade, unfortunately. But then we went straight on to make another short position from up here. And, that was a really, really successful trade. So this is, I'm just trying to show you an example of what I'm looking for on how I like to trade. And this is what I'm currently doing, because we're getting a lot of these periods of consolidation where we get these fixed ranges, and all we can do is trade them. Okay, very boring price action. Okay, and people tend to get very, very bullish when we come into this value area high. This value area high is where people, silly money is getting excited and they are, entering in long positions too high. This is where I'm looking to short. Okay, I'm looking to do what smart money is doing, not what dumb money is doing. And dumb money at the value area high is looking to go long and is like, oh, the price is going higher. We're going to 20K. Look at the facts. It's not going to happen. There's more of a chance of the price rejecting from here than actually breaking above this level. So, this is what I'm trying to get into your heads as well. If you like to trade, then I'm trying to teach you, the strategy that I use and how to actually implement it as well. Of course, we do have a course out as well. This is the free course. If you press join the community, put your name, email, time, and crypto. It takes you over to the free course, and it just gives you sort of an introduction into actually trading. But early next year, we're going to have sort of the full course out, and that's going to be picking my trading strategy apart. Every trading strategy I have, picking that apart, and putting it into one video at the end, actually showing you how to properly implement that. So, we will get that out for you. But, as of right now, the price is not doing much at all. So, what I said yesterday is, what I'm going to be saying today. I'm just waiting for the price to either come into my shorting area or my longing area. If it does come into one of those areas and it shows me signs to enter a short or a long, then that's what I'm going to be doing. However, if we do come into this longing opportunity, this longing area here, and there are bearish signs, then I'm not going to enter that, because there is a high chance we could break this support here. And that's vice versa with the shorting opportunity up here. If we come up, if we break resistance, and we come in with a lot of volume, then there's a possibility that we could go a little bit higher. So I would not short that if we did see any bullish signs up here. But yeah, I'm still looking at this range being respected. So, that's why I'm going to be looking for the short up here or the long down here. As of right now, I'm just sitting on the sidelines waiting. I should be in a trade right now. I should be in that short, but as I say, you can't dwell on it. We've got to move on and look for that next trade. And those are the next trades. Same with Ethereum as well. We had this potential longing opportunity here. Not enough confluence really for me, so I didn't actually enter that trade. But yeah, we are going to wait for that value area high to be hit. If there are bearish signs up there, we're going to short that. And if it comes down to the value area low and there are some bullish signs, then we're going to long that. Okay. It's just pretty basic. And yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. Either value area high to be hit or value area low to be hit. So that's pretty much all I've got for you today. I hope you did enjoy this video. Please make sure you smash a like if you did enjoy this video. And I will come live if there's anything that I need to update you with. If there's a trade that I'm going to be entering in, then of course I will come live and update you with that. Just to say hello to Crypto Invest, send love from Mexico, smash that like button. Yes, I would really appreciate it if you could smash that like button. JK, I can see that he has liked the video, so thank you very much for that. And yeah, thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you very much for giving me your time. Just wanted to keep this one short because, as I said, nothing much has changed since yesterday's live stream. So yeah, that's all I've got for you, and I hope to see you in the next live stream. Thank you very much. Smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, turn that bell notification on, and yeah, make sure you follow us on Twitter as well. Link is in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next live stream.